Any system needs to be monitored and maintained in order to keep performance and safety at 100%. For your Tandoor ovens, slight hairline cracks are expected to appear in the clay pot during use. Fire cement is supplied with the oven to prepare as follows. Remove rocks and lean. Dampen the affected area with a moist cloth. Fill in the crack with a fire cement using a spatula. Smooth the foiled area with a soft, moist cloth. Allow repair to air dry for approximately 6 hours. For more information, visit us at omcan.com and don't forget to subscribe.